Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and this is your girl Cheryl, and this is the Lewis family. So today I am going to introduce you to my kitchen again, where we're going to make fish tea. This is my first time, so please don't judge me. This is my first time making fish tea, and I'm going to show you some ingredients that I'll be using. Everybody has their own, but I'm going to use some products or some things that I'll be using in my pot. Your yam, some okra, and so forth. We just want to make the thing official, nice. Fish tea. So, fish don't take long to cook because it's already going to go back into another pot to cook again. So I'm going to turn off this pot now, save the water, and then I'm going to take out my fish and start to debone. Alright? Make sure you be careful. Hot. So there we go. As you can see, the seasoning, you can see the time on it still. That doesn't matter because it was cooking down, it was marinating together. You're going to pick it up just like when you pick out your saltfish with the bones, the same thing, as much as you can, alright? I'm going to put some more, not to make it too overly, just the flavors I want from it. So I'm going to take them out eventually. See, I have my scallion, I beat it to get the juice out and the flavor coming out through it. I'm going to show you what I do. You ever see a mother beat up things? Yeah, you beat it. Just to get that juice out of it. Bend it, and drop it in your pot. Also, I had some fermenter that was not finished, so the one that I show is just that had the little bit that I have here. So put a little bit in there. Remember this water, I would need this water because this water is strong back water. Well, this is just the water that the fish cooked in, so we don't waste anything. This is the flavor, right? Alright. Cover your pot with a lid to let it boil even faster, and then I'll add the fish afterwards. Keep watching. We need the flour now, so this is about 1.5 cups with salt, and the salt that I use, as you can see, look down, it's on top. I don't mix it around just yet, but this is the salt that I use in my household. This is a pink salt, Himalayan salt, and to me this is the best salt. So I'm going to mix around the salt with the flour with my hands, just to make sure that everything is even in proportion. So you just add little at a time and start bringing your flour together. didn't use all of the water. That's why you have to use it little at a time, because you know sometimes the estimation could be right or it could be wrong. So it depends on the amount of flour that needed water. So here is my flour, all done coming together. So this is the time I'm going to put Mr. Fish in, all his friends, all his loved ones, and cousin and great cousin. Just going to add him gently in there. Mind that splash here, so them swim around and splash up. How beautiful that is. Very good for my husband. Yes. I'm going to add these, which is my okra. It all depends on how much, but I'm adding this amount, which is about 8 or 10 okra that I cut up, because I love okra. Start them straight to the pot. Again, just be careful. Alright, now you can see everything has come together. So now I'm going to add the carrots. Yeah, be very careful. Let me show you what's going on. See that? Alright, beautiful. This is my cocoa. So I peel, wash, and then I'm going to add it to the pot. Again, be careful. Yellow yam, time to put him in. Make him go make friend with everybody else when at the pot. And lastly, a good old friend, flour dumpling. No caramel today, just white flour dumpling. We're going to make some spinners into the pot. So if you choose to make round flour any which way or shape, it's your choice. I just go and dry my hands thoroughly to make the spinners. I'm going to add the fish tea to it now. This is what's going to tie everybody, marinate everybody together. The flavor is going to come through. You notice in the initial stage there was no salt to my pot, so all I'm using is this to salt my pot, because this has enough salt. All right. So we have create the lid. Just in this so. And shake him around. Make sure everything come together. Sometimes I kind of crush it up just to break up big pieces, so you don't go in the pot and clump up together. So you know that will happen. Alright. That's just one. So I'm going to add 2 to my pot. I'm just stirring it around for a little to make sure that the flavor of the fish tea go right in throughout the pot, and also that nothing is sticking at the bottom, so you need to move your food content, your food around. I'm going to cover it and leave it, and then for 20 to 30 minutes, and then I'll check my pot, taste it to make sure that the flavors, and then if I need to add any salt, that's if you need to add any salt, then you can do so at that time. Stay tuned and watch the finished product. It was nice having you guys today in my kitchen, which we did, and together we made the fish tea. Oh, my first time, and we did it. I tasted the pot and it tastes okay with just using the 2-cup soup. So I'm just gonna go ahead. My family's anticipating it. I'm hungry. Yeah man, I'm hungry. So I'm going to share it out right now using my Lego.